Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number. Admin at Creative Hands for You, that's the number 4u.com, is our email. And www.creativehands4u.com is our website. And today we're back in Bowie, Maryland, and installing silestone countertops. And today we just got our delivery of the tops being put in place, and these are some heavy tops. These are some great looking stone countertops. And you see that the other tops have been removed. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections that are being installed, along with the one that already is. So 6 sections. We see our seam, in place on our first cut. And if you can see, we have these little slots here, which will help to keep us even when we put the tops together. Undermount sink bowl and gooseneck faucet. This was the existing faucet being reused. After that, our cabinets will be refinished and some new lighting will be installed. So once again, Gary Barnes, 301 Creative Hands Home Services, 301-736-0061. Give us a call for all of your kitchen and bathroom needs. Thank you.